solution, and we help the banks and financial institutes to enable their mobile device. Our customers are the banks and FIs, and our users are actually the customers of the banks and FIs. And let's first see whether it makes a business sense or not. It costs a bank something like $4 to service a customer via that branch channel, and the same customer to service, it costs them $8 via the mobile channel. So obviously it makes a business sense. And what are the issues now? A couple of issues the banks are facing. First and foremost, there's no one-size-fits-all solution. Okay, and on top of that, you have all the different types of operating systems, you have different devices, etc., etc., etc. Okay, and to compound matters, there's also the security issue, which is going to become much, much worse if you realize 3 weeks ago on the front page of a local newspaper in Malaysia. Let me tell you, it's going to get worse. And as much as we talk about these things, there's also something which is a myth. A lot of time we talk about smartphones, etc. But if you look at the penetration rate, for example, in Malaysia, it's only 63%. Previously, a friend of mine, he mentioned 55. In Malaysia, it's 63%. And that is smartphone. But let's go in detail. When it comes to data package, it's only 30%. So you have smartphones which are not very smart. Okay? So that's a myth that we need to emphasize. Now, what Toothpaste does, we have part of a solution. There's a very small sticker. Okay, it's very thin. It's thinner than your hair. And what happens is that we enable our solution on top of this chip. There's a processor at the bottom, and we put all the solutions on top of this chip. And when customer comes to the bank officer just will say, "Can I have your SIM card?" That's it. The bank officer will take out, the customer will take out the SIM card, the bank officer will take the chip, and there's a glue, an epoxy at the bottom. You will glue together into the chip and the SIM, and the next sentence is, "Can you insert back into your mobile phone?" And after that, the customer will switch on, and voila, magic happens. Immediately, you have your so-called app. There's no download, nothing. As far as the bank is concerned, it works on all types of phones. And that is one part of the equation. The other side is within the bank's data center. So we have a couple of servers with solutions which is based in the bank's data center. We do not keep the information. We make it reside within the bank's data center. And going forward, why we feel our solution is special, first and foremost, user-friendly. A very subjective subject, but for us, user-friendly means it works on each and every phone identically. The only difference is one, on iPhone it looks sexy, on a feature phone it will not look that sexy. That's the only difference. Whereas the process, etc. is identical. And it works on any device, from all the iPhones and Samsung of the world to the cheap 20 US made in China phone. It's telco independent. The bank is the boss now. The bank can choose whichever mode of communication. You don't need any internet. It's secure. Basically, it's encrypted from end to end. It's cost effective. And what is our business model? Virtually, it's free. Are we running a charity? Obviously not. How we make money is that we have a one-time cost which we bill to the customer for the duration of our contract. And from all the contracts we have done, it has been for 3 years. Then we have monthly charges, etc. And where we have deployed until now, it has been in Malaysia, Indonesia, and Thailand. And we also going forward to Bangladesh, Cambodia, and Myanmar. Thank you very much.